Hello, ma'am. Uh, y'all have a Facebook, and it's illegal to block people on Facebook if you're using it for government capacity. Mayor Adrian Perkins came, and he was running for mayor, and I thought maybe this guy can help. He had he had a law degree of Harvard. He was in West Point in the military, a veteran from Cedar Grove on the west side. I said, wow, he might be smart and good for the community. I didn't know it, but Mayor Adrian Perkins and Karelia Stewart, the judge, were good friends, associates, crime syndicate partners, whatever you want to say. Anyways, they're good friends. And I was online and I was trying to get help because Karelia Stewart used a falsified legal document to have my child taken in court. She enforced it. And in court, she didn't even let me use my evidence. Deputy walked in court and had my evidence in his hands, and she said, "What's this?" Thing is, it's the person who went against me in court filed a legal issue before me, and they filled theirs out, and it was just falsified. I had proof that it was. I had proof from different places. I had all the evidence I needed. So, anyways, uh, I spoke out online about Judge Karelia Stewart um, hijacking my kid in court, kidnapping him with a falsified legal document, and Perkins sent the Caddo Sheriff's Department to my house. So I've tried to get help for elderly women torture. That there's witnesses, there's multiple people, and they all been getting beat and brutalized by the University Police. There's been petitions concerning the abuse and torture by nurses and police staff. Gabe and Teets are two, and then there's more choking patients in seclusion while restrained. I mean, there's a bunch of things that I've tried to get Mayor Perkins to help with, but he's been paid $9,000 by LSU and Arsenal Health, and he won't go against the hospital. Neither will Crime Stoppers. None of the media controllers. The hospital blocks people. So anyway, they came out, or the Caddo Sheriff's Department came to my house, and they wanted to look through my papers. So there was that, or the threat of death. I didn't really want to die, and so he went through the papers, and he threatened me with bad publicity. And told me that I just needed to quit talking about the stuff because I would get bad publicity, and like nobody would believe it. Well, the thing is everybody in the city, they know they're corrupt, and they know I've been trying to get help for a long time. So I had the evidence that my kid was kidnapped. I also had evidence that he was only going to be getting fed once a day. Yeah, she knew that. The judge, Karelia Stewart, she knew that, and so did Adrian Perkins. So they starved my son. He was only going to get fed once a day, and he got taken across state lines when I was supposed to get him because his mom, who I was going to court against, she had done a second-degree aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, with a dangerous weapon, or yeah, second-degree aggravated battery with a deadly weapon on me, and gave me stitches on my head. So stitches are staples. Yeah, it was bad. There was blood on TV. She had been arrested and went to jail, but she got in with the lawyer that solicits justice, and they do their whole litigation racket with the judge, and they dismissed that charge even though she was guilty. Hijacked my kid, kidnapped him.